The Surefire E2D LED Defender is a dual-output personal defense flashlight. It features a sleek, rugged body made of hard anodized aluminum and a strike bezel as a last line of defense just in case. Press or click once for a tactical level beam, enough to temporarily blind an attacker or reach deep into the darkness. To turn it off and press or click on again for a 5-lumen low-output beam with extended runtime. The E2DL boasts a highly efficient LED emitter and a precisely molded TIR lens that produces a smooth, tight, far-reaching beam. It runs on two 123A lithium batteries and features Surefire's patented lockout tail cap to keep it from activating when stored or transported. The Surefire E2D LED Defender, a powerful and brutally tough personal defense light only from Surefire.
Having the right flashlight to meet your lighting needs is important. That's one of the reasons Streamlight developed 3 series of lights: Tradition, High Performance, HP, and our High Lumen, HL lights. Each series offers a different balance of features and can be used for a variety of applications. Streamlight's Tradition series is meant for general multi-purpose use. Tradition series lights are designed for the broadest range of lighting applications at the best value. Their performance characteristics include optimal balance of candela and lumens and the longest regulated run times. Streamlight's High Performance, or HP series, is a good choice for downrange applications when requiring optimal beam distance, as these flashlights throw light a long distance. Our HP performance characteristics include a high candela beam, which delivers long-range lighting, coupled with a bright peripheral beam. Streamlight's High Lumen, or HL series, gives you maximum illumination to provide full situational awareness by delivering extraordinary brightness and a wide beam pattern. These lights are ideal for smaller areas where you may need a lot of light, but not an exceptionally long reach. The HL performance characteristics include a high lumen beam with a good balance of candela. They also deliver maximum illumination. Streamlight's 3 series of lights perform like no others before to help keep you safe and enabling you to see more and work more efficiently. Streamlight builds performance, period.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.